When money becomes tight for whatever reason, one of the first things I do is stop and take a detailed accounting of all my current assets, what I have in my account, in cash, or what I can reliably count on. Then I do the same with my expenses. Then I began trimming the fat, so to speak, removing the things that either are unnecessary or bring no value in my current situation. This isn't to say I cut out every bag of chips or occasional burger, but things like a new outfit or pair of shoes are just not as important as things like rent, food, and toiletries. Living the life of an ascetic is not advisable, but neither is losing money because I overlooked something small that snowballed into something massive. After that, I start looking for ways to bring in some extra funds quickly. I review a series of online jobs, such as survey taker and data entry, and consult with members of my inner circle to ask about possible opportunities that I may not have considered. For example, during campaigning season, there are certain non-profit organizations that pay for canvassers to go out and register people to vote, and I look at positions with them, if at all possible. At the same time, I start budgeting both my time and my finances, planning not just what I should spend and on what, but also where I should put my focus for working and opportunity hunting. After paying the most essential fees I have, I put away any amount that I can afford to and keep working and searching until I've managed to endure this season of lack. Most importantly, I remember that it's just that, a season of lack and not a life. I can and will get through it and be better off in the end.